Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Widya Safitri. Di sini saya akan membacakan jurnal yang berjudul Combined Religious Education in Indonesia and Japan. Abstract: this paper comprised the way in which religious education has been performed in Indonesia and Japan in terms of concerns the rise, history, politics, purposes, and implements. Generally speaking, the practice of religious education in the two washi is very different in that Indonesia has strong support to religious education while Japan has weak support to the practice of religious education. This is due to have felt that not only the controversy of the social of the two countries are differences, but also the two do embrace differences status ideologies in adoptive families in the two social culture rally in determining the essence and practice of religious education. Introduction: it is worth noting that with regard to religion and education, politics and ideology vary from one country to another in the world. Countries that embrace secular ideology, such as the United States, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Bulgaria, Cuba, Azerbaijan, and Kazakhstan, do not allow religious education held in public school, but they do allow so in private school. By contrary, Indonesia support religious education in public school, preferably the study official domestic religious education is part of school curricula. Other comparison West Coast and there is two religious traditions, such as Pakistan and Malaysia, share this poverty in school. The provision of religious education (RE) and a cultural dependence on the Christian ideology. There are small models of the religion of RA and study in ideology. First, when the study ideology is scholar, RE in is problem in public school, but not in private school. This model can be seen in the United States, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Bulgaria, and Cuba. Statistically, altogether the study in ideology is currently the majority of population belongs to Christian irreligious traditional is allowed in both public and private schools. These preface can be seen in Australia, Carmine Species, Colubin, Skill, and Peru. Escapanal is in the course of to perform Soviet Units countries Azerbaijan and Cassius with goal sesque ideology, but the majority of the head population are Muslim. These do not allow religious education taught in public school. The third model is that when state ideology belongs to country religions, like Islam, is not allowed participate but is allowed required as part of public school. Cultural in the share specialist refers to Islam education, which is called Surimi in place that in public school, referring to Islam education, this is what happened in Pakistan and Malaysia, both of which hold Islam as from studies religious. The photo model is when the study ideology is neither secular nor religion like Indonesia is not on permanently but also required in public and private schools. However, the concept of in the from model is not only but Islam the religious but also the was of other religious occurrences with be the study of Indonesia. His paper Cooperasi Religious Education in Indonesia and Japan in terms of scholar's context, there is population history RI in school and students before the study tertiary atau quality as to why the wishes has strong support from study family and religious institute had little effect on students. God before on the third had studies in school countries such as in Japan, we do not references or at all are not necessarily work in before that student with school religious college. Indonesia in Japan in comparison. To comparison Indonesia in Japan. Indonesia has population awaiting million, whereas Japan has million. The study in ideology of Indonesia in Pancasila. We heal Japan outpace scholar ideology. It means that differences studied in ideology contribution to differences pressures of RI in Indonesia with the Pancasila has the study ideologies religious apply a crucial role in the culture. There are six religious acknowledged official B. The State Islam, Christ, Hindu, Buddhism, and Confucianism in Japan, which causes structural ideology as the foundation of the not religious plays on significant role in the country. The hair is on made on of official religion in Japan. Apology erasure of its constitution graces religious freedom. Nor is the hair official stated with examples the alteration of the population of Japan to which religion. However, education to international religious report published in based on repressy by the Confessor Agui Foreign Cultural Officer. In stature that small religious groups claim that three members receive millions, this number is more than the number of Croatian population in Russia that Manchester so affordably multi-religious. And it is common from Japan to embrace both Buddhists and Sikhs to Belfish at the same time. However, according to the white theory and Mercius Gens of the Japanese do not consider the Muslim behavior in a religion. Indonesia population in differs not only in terms religious but also ethnicity, language, and cultures. This country has a right, diseases, natives, at his groups and differences, languages, and deletes. The lacquer at his group is diverse, comprising of the population and our popularity and cultural domains in terms of language the official language in Indonesia, language in Bahasa Indonesia, and it is a comparison that to get in school from element to higher education. In fact, popular speak only of several hundred languages in between, and of the Javanese language is the most widely spoken as the language of the Rakeres. At Heinz Group, by contrast, Jespersi cultural so more homogeneous in terms of liquid and culture. Of its populated speak Japan, whereas the Raji are smile, Minori, Grampus, Sukes, Chinese Korea, Chinese, Philippines, Brazil, mostly Japan Direct, and previous small Japan digits, former Japan's premier mysteries Taro as onto the lecture that Japan is a nation of on rich on television, on language, and on culture. Michael Gramit distinguishing direct mention of religious education, namely learning religion, learning from religion, and learning about religion. Religious education as learning religion means the transmission of religious culture belief and values from one generation to another generation. The function of religious education it has to perpetuate and to hold on religious values and tradition in schools. In Meraeng religious model, students are treated as passive babies where the real position is only to retrieve and achieve religious teaching the and fails from teaching the prophecy of transmission and transfer of these religious values in the rock in the international. The model of RES learning from religious locks from for educating of the religious for Huma. Live how could religious possibly contribute to solve the problem faced by Huma begins. What are the values of religious from human life? The RE is the phase in learning from religious that learner hold positive attitude toward A. The emphasis of R in to say what values of religious weight can be employed to slow human problems in connecting to in this religion, there will be not cultural document of religion because religion is treated as a culture of knowledge and moral precepts. Religious education is learning about religious myths, studying religion in a purely objective and descriptive manner, not merely absorbing or refreshing religious values. These approaches can be called as an objective form of teaching religious, as Learning about religious has contributed to treat religion with entire Judaism of opposition. Learner has to take distances from religious, because it is about of student. In this fight is carried out together sister fish and geologists wise and cheater taking is naturalized in his model of looking at the above the horizontal perspective, that perspective of in Indonesia in dominated by learning religious and learning from religion, particularly in the Lamriti and Secondary Junior and Senior High School. In the higher education life, these two models are still dominant, with example. In higher education, we hit passionate in religious study in which religious in not only see as a directing that school be as a possibility, but is also a scholarly which can be situated. In Japan, that percent of RE is closer to the model of learning religion and learning from religious from private religious based school. The public school so the model of learning about religious visit can be seen in the subjective of history, Japan's history and world history, essays tackling about my religious and moral education. Study number one, number two, study is policy on art. The social science of Indonesia, where real religion plays a significant role in public life, help us to understand why art in the country is strong, supported by the state. It is not all permanent but required to be taught in public and private school from elementary to higher education. In Japan, the study keeps distinct from religion, because the count is based on scholar ideology. As a result, RE is not allowed to be taught in public school, but is allowed in private school. From his prophecy, the relation between the scholarship of testy ideology and the way in which his is carried out is corrected. The real are the Aristotle on religious education method in the Bill of Republic of Indonesia number year about national education system. Aristotle Potts stated that a short student in the unit of education has reached to Rashad religious education in his her own fight which in together by a threads of the fight. Public school do not have problem with his article because they are suicide to teacher religion. His wife, however, from private school. Particularly of the sea is based on Catherine religious. This article is controversial for two reasons. First, this article is not in line with the right of community to healthy education based on the facts of that community. And quality, it is a big burden from for this school to profit religious teacher was the fight embraced by this school. In my cases, private school based on Christianity have more Muslim students that concerning the restaurant of why small Muslim families sign the real cancer rate to cherishing school is not backward of religious, but a consistency of the school quality Shatara school are preferred to so go quality instrument of education. In persist left ether is not yet implemented full. And every summates children schools causes not to hold a religious education, but the relation with its religious education are combination of right. Here are two other articles in the Bill of year that have relation to religious education, namely Article and article itself with religious education in terms of the holder of religious education, the function of religious education, the concept of education that hold religious education, and the form of religious education. Article tackles about religious education that school beside elements of national cultural for elements study and hierarchy education lives. Thus, the article and of the Bill of Rights elaborate in details the government's religion on your concern is six compressed and fit with article points and sustain every unit of education province place and accuracy for study to perform religious service based on the religious and places for worship as mentioned in the article. Call it be in the form of room in or around the unit of education that can be used be studied to perform religious service. On height, the study reserved maximum political support from the people, and on the other, religious education has contributed to cancer ethical and civil citizen in family and the study of Japan show a little interest in for which it reserves low support in the constitution and in public life. The last argument presented in his work is about the type of quality. Indonesia is multicultural socially in terms of religion, ethnicities, and languages, while Japan is monocultural social in terms of above fortress. Indonesia night based in can promote tolerance, patience, and mutual understanding of one fight to the other in order to make in meaningful for multicultural and polar society in its nature for Indonesia to redefine and register from merely dealing with science. Only relique to Toshi of Otzer, in contrast, Japan does not stutter the imprimacies of bequests. The country has homogeneous schooling that is in more markable than heterogeneous schooling. Number 6. History of RE. Indonesia and Japan have a different history of the history of RE and became in issues in Japan since the period of Meiji Restoration in life with the modernization of education in Japan. The Meiji Constitution was modified in after the fall of Japan in the Second World War, and with relation to religion and RE it is particular. Mentioned in article of the Constitution, we hit Gurmaitis the people's religious freedom. In Japan was a year of modernity of the country, including the possibility of RE in public and private school. By contrast, the year when Indonesia independent when declined RE was holiday debate, since the inscription and in particular Islamic education the body, since the inspiration and in particular Islam education has been supported by the study by including RE in national education curricular curricular. However, the implementation of in Indonesia is the main dependent of the requirement we hit rule the country. Currently speaking, the development of area in Indonesia can be defined into the phases. Sukarno era, Suharto era, and Reformation era. Looking at history, Indonesia and Japan have different stories of RE. Since instead the real was not tensions between and the study in Indonesia in was taught at elementary and junior and senior school leader of public school. It was taught under conditional behavior at least then published in the class and had perfection from the real practices. All matter reality are under supervision and representability of the Mister of religious affairs. In was precisely different every region in Indonesia had different approaches of player meeting of the Rashid that Besomet subjective that is should be together in public school, from elementary to higher education, under the condition that the branches allow their children to take that subjective. In contrast, there was a tension between the study and conservative school in Japan. In the government accessible public school of element in school level and higher education level. It was in the period of Meiji Restoration when private schools were established were all. Mediensis, liberal arts, and religious were the subjective of teaching and learning. RO and student behavior. The last spread of the paper is comprehending the impacts of error on students' attitude and behavior, and now going in the pathing and solely variable of student behavior can be stated that into simpler because there are many variables in the currency to their attitude and consequence a family school, cultural, social, mass media, and so am equal to go to query whether later behavior as a result of LC the same simple call may also be made in reality in countries of errors to student behavior because the main internal of error is how to implement studies. Live behavior in the his context in only seen from a quasi aspect or of knowledge, but also after he and published. Comparing in relation to student attitude and school in Indonesia and Japan is not all aesthetics. In Indonesia, there are my reports of student violence continuing in social junior and senior, high school, and SOSME entry to the lights. The His Indonesia Convention of from key parties KPAI reflected from January to October the word. This is studied in after biting school support bullying the seat to be placed in juvenile home. Jakarta are student afraid of boarding house asylum. Supercon spot study burial study can student kill the miss smart while in school burial. Report Jakarta study out with article soulmate West and Taiju Higlis Suterbe. My reporter are also providing behalf through media in Indonesia about student Berway School, bullying and author from official to illustrator decorative is how the in Indonesia has little connection to make study behave properly in line with the advancing Norman on the grounding that the sees student ratio from element to study junior of or senior high school. As method currently in medical subjective the school G2K in all nations refer the pricing of education. In conjunction, Japan is a difference to find the now of student provide video on school bullying, study around discipline, her granting, and follow the ratio of school. No restaurant in media, social media or television concerning studying bullying of bullying. While it argument the determining factor the make Japan standard, in particular, and Japan schooling in general are tolerant, respecting and on healthy, cleanly, happy, and take like or not grains of art, but the old traditional that were based on honesty pressure and had be interaction from on-granting to acquire the current employee. Study from takeaway requin and the continent the walk to Michin, restoring the stability values from the price had be Metweti and Heather Orwell from on-granting to text general. Altogether, the real was a grand in study based in moderator on liberty, the foundation of considerable freedom. This is the reason why Japan's schooling has entered the modern world. He was losing the traditional identitas and values. When countering remedies, the implementation of depends on the study popularity and the study population on in starting informed by the study ideology. When scholar ideology is con as the founding of the study in online and in private school.
Not in public school, the latter school be far from religious internation and hiffs, in content when Islam besmirches the ideology of study. Requests makes we support from the study to be educated in public and private school. However, public school can on have Islam religious education in the East can be seen in Malaysia in Pakistan. Indonesia and Japan are two different countries in terms of ideology. The from is based on Pancasila ideology that is neither school nor Islam, but a slow between two. While in Japan, scholar ideology, the terms of these two countries on race is also different from the South and where theory and school is online to in private religious based school and the price of the tickets of school in online weatherfit. Percent in Japan, the old traditional values the has be handled though from an increasing to ultimate generation. Conspiracy echoes mice more performance the RE in making studies in particultural and Japan's social in general to behave popularity in line with the ex norm and evaluation. Thank you so much.